Welcome. If you've been using Dropbox for a while, you might notice that the app starts taking up more space on your device. This is usually caused by cache, temporary files stored to speed things up, but which can accumulate and slow your device down. Today, I'm going to show you how to clear the cache on Dropbox with the latest updated steps, so you can free up space quickly and easily. First, open the Dropbox app on your smartphone or tablet. It doesn't matter if you're using iOS or Android, the steps are pretty similar for both. Once you're inside the app, look for the menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or your profile picture, and tap on it to open the main menu. Next, scroll down and find the Settings option. Tap on Settings to get into the app's configuration menu. This is where you can manage a bunch of options including account preferences, notifications, and storage settings. Now scroll down inside the Settings menu until you see the option called Clear Cache. Tapping on this option will remove all the temporary files that Dropbox has stored on your device. These files include things like thumbnails, previews, and other data that helps load content faster but isn't necessary to keep forever. Once you tap Clear Cache, the app will quickly delete these files, freeing up valuable space without affecting your actual Dropbox files or account. This process is safe and won't delete any of your documents, photos, or videos stored in Dropbox itself. It only clears the temporary data. And that's it. Clearing your Dropbox cache regularly is a simple habit that can help keep your device running smoothly and make sure Dropbox isn't taking up more space than it needs to. If you ever notice Dropbox feeling sluggish or your storage getting tight, just walk through these steps again. Thanks for watching, and remember, keeping your apps tidy with small actions like this can make a big difference in your device's performance.